The 7th Street Bridge is being redone for safety reasons, first and foremost. It is one of our older bridges in the city. It's a 100-year-old bridge, and it's been 60 years since it had any significant redesign work. It'll just be a great asset for the city. Citizens will feel safe. It's one of the major corridors across into downtown, into the west side.
Not only is it a beautiful signature architectural piece, but it provides a wide range of mobility for people of Fort Worth and our visitors. Whether it's on bike, whether it's walking, or in your cars, this bridge will offer a little bit of something for everyone.
So this is an example where the department, working with the city, realized we needed to do something that was going to be unique for the community of Fort Worth, something that could be done quickly, to eliminate the impact on the community and be cost efficient.
Even at its infancy, we had community participation. We sought community input and buy-in and took their advice and counsel, and I think the outstanding product we're going to see, and the product is a product we're going to be proud of.
I would say that the heart of the bridge design is the integration of aesthetics and engineering. This bridge is a bit of a breakthrough both from an artistic standpoint and for technology. Well, we wanted to make a bridge that was worthy of this site. And so one of the things that we did was come in and use a network arch, but we used it in a way that other people haven't used it. Frequently there's widely spaced hangers. We wanted a nice thick metallic mesh so that would create a screening effect for the lights. It would create more of an architectural interest. We chose a through arch so the pedestrians and the motorists on West 7th could experience the arch. If we had deck arches, they would have driven over the structure and never known that they were on an arch bridge. We wanted to do a precast arch because we could build the bridge quicker and stay out of the motorist's way. The arches are the main load-carrying member. The diagonal hangers bring the load from the roadway deck up into the arch, and then the arch serves as a compression member in driving that force into the columns.
There we go. Come on, there we go. All right, that's good. That's good. Good, good, good. Okay. On 3, we're going to pick it up and twist at the same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Twist it. Got it. Thank you. All right. Thanks, sir.